Embedded vision is one of the most important megatrends in the electronics industry today, and it's certainly one of the most important areas that Xilinx is focusing its investments and resources into the future. Embedded vision encompasses, from our perspective, 6 key driving applications. Those applications include advanced driver's assistance, autonomous vehicles, industrial machine vision, surveillance, medical imaging, augmented reality, and also vision-guided robotics and drones. If you look at the distinct advantages that Xilinx brings to the market in the embedded vision domain, I can summarize that in 5 key areas. Number 1, Xilinx, with its programmable fabric in its embedded devices, the Xilinx 7000 family and the Xilinx UltraScale Plus MPSoC family, integrates a breadth of FPGA fabric that allows you to integrate sensor fusion. Sensor fusion enables you to integrate multiple sensors, be it 2 sensors to do stereo vision, to perceive depth, to multiple sensors surrounding an environment to create a complete reconstruction of the environment around you. In addition to homogeneous sensor fusion, heterogeneous sensor fusion is another area where Xilinx devices are very well positioned. In other words, the ability to integrate a diverse sensor modalities into a system so that you can bring in not just visual data, but also thermal information and other sorts of sensor information to provide a much deeper perception to the systems that you're developing. Real-time image recognition and analytics is another key area where Xilinx has some very distinct advantages. Having the monolithic integration of the ARM processing subsystem along with FPGA fabric allows for a very tight interconnection between the ARM processor, where the application may be running, and the FPGA fabric, where you'll be accelerating many of the functions within those applications. In addition to that, it's critical in many of the applications that I've mentioned that you have a very computationally efficient platform. So having the highest performance per watt becomes critical, especially when you're looking at some of the applications that we've described. So Xilinx has done a number of benchmarks to indicate that we do indeed offer the highest performance per watt relative to a lot of the alternatives that are out there. Another distinct advantage that Xilinx has is the wide breadth of device offerings, enabling developers to target mid-range devices and then very quickly and rapidly migrate those designs to higher-end variants or lower-end derivatives. So having all programmable platform reuse is a tremendous and distinct advantage that we have. And in addition to that, within embedded vision, as is the case in many of the applications that we're focused on, safety and security are becoming a paramount concern. So with an integrated monolithic device where you can control device security not only at the device level, but also at the system level is another distinct advantage that Xilinx has.